Hey friends, today we're going to a city in Bihar, a city that smells like history, breathes culture, and lives life at its own pace. Yes, we're talking about Gopalganj, a small city with a big heart, just like its people. Walk through its streets and you'll find a story at every turn. Sometimes it's a king's story, sometimes a saint's, sometimes a farmer's. And hidden in these stories is the true identity of Gopalganj. So come, let's explore this unknown city together, learn its stories and witness its beauty. Gopalganj. This city lies in the north of Bihar, like a hidden treasure. Nestled in the heart of the state, it holds a unique charm that captivates anyone who visits. It's close to Uttar Pradesh, making it a significant junction between the two states. This proximity has influenced its culture and traditions, blending the best of both worlds. About 75 miles away from Patna, this makes it easily accessible for travelers and traders, contributing to its vibrant economy. It's part of the Tihut division, surrounded by cities like Siwan and Saran. This strategic location has made it a hub for various activities and interactions. Now, let's talk about the weather. Gopalganj experiences a diverse climate that adds to its unique character. You'll find heat, rain, and cold here, just like all the colors of life. Each season brings its own beauty and challenges, shaping the lives of the people. The summer sun is scorching, the monsoon brings showers of love, and the winter breeze brings a sense of calm. These seasonal changes are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the locals. The Ganges River and its tributaries have a big influence here. They are the lifelines of the region, supporting agriculture and daily life. They make the land fertile, the crops green, and bring smiles to the faces of the people. The river's bounty is evident in the lush fields and the prosperity of the farmers. So that's Gopalganj for you, a city that is rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. Now let's dive deeper and learn more fascinating things about this city. From its bustling markets to its serene landscapes, Gopalganj has a story to tell at every corner. Friends, the history of Gopalganj is ancient, like listening to your grandma's stories. This place has witnessed the rise and fall of many empires, each leaving behind a rich tapestry of culture and heritage. It dates back to the medieval period when it was part of the Magadh kingdom. The Magadh kingdom was one of the most powerful and influential regions in ancient India, known for its advanced governance and flourishing trade. The Mauryas, the Guptas, and many other dynasties ruled over this place. The Mauryan dynasty, under the leadership of Emperor Ashoka, spread Buddhism far and wide, leaving behind stupas and pillars that still stand today. Each one left their mark, like hiding treasures for us to find. These hidden artifacts tell stories of a bygone era, offering glimpses into the lives of people who once walked these lands. During the Mughal period, it became an important administrative center because it controlled major trade routes. The Mughals built grand structures and administrative buildings, some of which still stand as a testament to their architectural prowess. Caravans would stop here, leaving behind their stories, adding another page to the story of Gopalganj. These caravans brought with them goods, ideas, and cultures from distant lands, enriching the local heritage. So that was a glimpse of Gopalganj's history. Now, let's move on and discover more of its wonders. From its scenic landscapes to its vibrant culture, Gopalganj has much more to offer. Friends, Gopalganj is primarily an agricultural region. The land is fertile and the people are hard-working. The fields stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the dedication and effort of the local farmers. Farmers are the heart of this city, and agriculture is its pride. From dawn till dusk, they toil in the fields, ensuring that the produce is of the highest quality. Rice, wheat, corn, sugarcane, lentils, you name it, they grow it all, along with vegetables and fruits. The diversity of crops here is truly remarkable, catering to both local and national demands. The Ganges and its tributaries play a vital role, nourishing the land and keeping the crops lush green. This natural irrigation system is a lifeline for the farmers, ensuring a bountiful harvest year after year. There are also small-scale industries and trade in local goods. These industries complement the agricultural sector, providing additional employment and boosting the local economy. But agriculture remains the identity of this city, and farmers its backbone. Their relentless efforts ensure that Gopalganj remains a key player in the agricultural landscape of the region. So that was a glimpse of Gopalganj's economy. Now let's move on and explore other facets of this city. From its rich cultural heritage to its vibrant community life, Gopalganj has much more to offer. Friends, Gopalganj's culture is full of love and sweetness. The melodies of Bhojpuri songs, the vibrancy of folk theatre, and the excitement of festivals all come together to make Gopalganj's culture special. Chhath Puja, Diwali, Holi, Eid, all these festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm here. People share sweets and joy with each other. Hindi and Bhojpuri, both languages are spoken here. But Bhojpuri has its own unique charm that brings joy to the heart. So that was a glimpse of Gopalganj's cultural heritage. Now let's move on and discover more of its wonders. Friends, faith holds great importance in Gopalganj. Ma Tara Chandi Mandir is a very famous temple here, where people come from far and wide to seek blessings. Especially during Chhath Puja and Navratri, there's a huge fair here. Millions of devotees come and offer their prayers to the goddess. Apart from this, there are many other temples, mosques and gurudwaras here, showcasing the religious harmony of Gopalganj. So that was a glimpse of Gopalganj's famous temples. Now, let's move on and discover more of its wonders. Friends, education is also given great importance in Gopalganj. There are government schools, private schools, and colleges offering courses in arts, science, commerce, and technical fields. Gopalganj College, Bihar, Polytechnics, and schools affiliated with the Bihar School Examination Board, BSEB, strengthen the education system here. People here understand that education is the key to progress and consider it their duty to educate their children. So, that was a glimpse of Gopalganj's educational institutions. Now let's move on and discover more of its wonders. Chapter 7. Rahan Kajal, Gopalganj, Kasampark. Friends, Gopalganj is well connected to major cities in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. There are roads, railways, and bus services. Gopalganj Junction is the railway station here, with trains to cities like Patna, Delhi, and Lucknow. Buses also run frequently, connecting nearby towns and cities. So Gopalganj is well connected, which contributes to its progress. So that was a glimpse of Gopalganj's connectivity. Now let's move on and discover more of its wonders. Chapter 8. Nazaro Kasamohan Gopalganj Ke Tourist Spots. Friends, Gopalganj has several tourist spots that will capture your heart. Ma Tara Chandi Mandir is there, where you'll find peace and spirituality. Nearby is Bihar Sharif, where you can see medieval architecture and Islamic monuments, and if you love nature, you can visit the surrounding countryside. Lush, green fields, flowing rivers and scenic views will leave you spellbound. So if you're looking for a memorable trip, Gopalganj is a must-visit. Chapter 9. Samasyaon se para Gopalganj ki jung. Friends, Gopalganj is also facing its share of struggles. There's a lack of infrastructure, limited healthcare facilities, and poverty is a major issue. The government is making efforts, but there's still a long way to go. Flooding is also a big problem since the city is situated near the Ganges and its tributaries. But the people here are facing these challenges with courage and working hard to give their city a better future. So we should all contribute to the progress of Gopalganj. Chapter 10. Gopalganj Ke Lal Mashhur Hastiyan. Friends, Gopalganj has been the birthplace of many famous personalities. Lalu Prasad Yadav, the former chief minister of Bihar, is from here. He was born in Pulwaria village in Gopalganj district. His political journey gave a new dimension to Bihar's politics. There are many others who have brought fame to Gopalganj and made their mark in the world with their achievements. So Gopalganj is not just a city but also a land of talent. Chapter 11. Mausam Ka Jado, Gopalganj Ka Abhivadan. Friends, Gopalganj's weather is also diverse. Summers are hot and monsoons bring showers. Winters are chilly and the sunshine feels pleasant. May and June are the hottest months, with temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. The monsoon brings heavy rainfall, which is crucial for agriculture. November to February is winter, with temperatures ranging from 7 to 20 degrees Celsius, so you'll experience all shades of weather in Gopalganj. So that was a glimpse of Gopalganj's climate. Now let's wrap up this video. Outro Alvida Gopalganj. So, friends, that was the story of Gopalganj, a city that smells like history, bursts with culture, and has people with big hearts. I hope you liked this video. If you ever visit Gopalganj, meet the people, listen to their stories, and capture the beauty of this place in your hearts. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.